me I can see anything.
It's got a wide view, so
we're gonna try it.
we're gonna try it. You know?
Carry the radio back out there.
Nope, that didn't work. Stick it on the battery right there.
Hang on. Why don't we stick it like? Oh no.
Just stick it on the battery. That's too. You need to go back more. Just stick it back there. Yeah, we'll go with that. The problem is that little piece of wood was just way too thin. That you know, it might still fall, but you know. If it's not any good, it's not any good. It's all right. Whew. Sounds so cool. Oh my god, the sound of that airplane is amazing. Air passing on it? I have no idea why it's going on the wheels. I don't know why it does that. I think it does it better when the motor's on. You just hear it better. It is amazing. And I don't know how to make this airplane perform like it's supposed to, but it does like things like right there without even losing altitude or coming off point. I was closer to those trees than I thought. I saw the shadow. Oh. Sorry. I saw that, but you recovered nicely though. Woohoo! All right, take a couple of easy laps.
Got a minute 46 seconds.
Okay. Think you can do a high-speed low pass? A low high-speed pass? You just did it. It's coming from our right. Sorry, I'm not sure what orientation it is. You can really see at speed the acceleration. You can see the acceleration where it just goes. Wah! Yeah. Wow. Straight up. Oh man. I hope that air noise was picked up by the camera. That is so amazingly cool.
I'm not sure.
Cameron stayed there.
Cameron stayed there.
I don't know if we have juice.